time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me giant.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Is that you,
Sweet monster in the sky!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Why not understand?
Come on, this way.
Spread out and lock it down.
They're looking for. All clear over here.
Hey, working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got most doors set up on the scare floor.
Done your Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
That's cool.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Hi, good afternoon!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
Neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 319 in progress and reported to spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 319 in progress.
You never saw a human child on the loose today. It never